everyone, welcome to class time. Dear friends, we were dealing about class 9 geography chapter 2 human geography, and this will be the last part of this particular chapter. Dear friends, so far what we have seen in this particular chapter is that the origin of human race, three major groups of human race, and this human race got spreaded, and from there they were united, and the thing that kept them united was the religion, and there were many different religions, and of those four major religions we have seen, and a few details of those four religions also we have seen: Christian, Islam, Hinduism and Buddhism. These four religions are considered as the major religion. Today in this video we are going to see some more informations like these four religions, how did they spread, or which are the areas where these religions are practiced most. So starting with Christian religion, which is regarded to be the highest in population, highest in number. The points are displayed on the screen as you see. One of the reasons for this particular religion to be highest in number is the conversion. Next, this particular religion spread from Europe to North and South America, and some part of Asia, and some part of Africa and Oceania. Total 90% of North and South America, Europe and Australia belong to Christian religion, and in these regions Roman Catholic, that is one of the two divisions of this Christian religion, are dominating. As for the Protestant, dominating areas are Great Britain, North Ireland, North Netherlands, Finland, Denmark, North Central Germany, Canada, South Africa, New Zealand, and there are many more worth mentioning, dear friends. As for the Islam religion, this religion, Islam, is considered to be the second largest with 20% of the world population. The areas of this particular religion, or the area where this religion is practiced, are northern part of Africa, Middle East, Pakistan, Bangladesh of South Asia, and some Southeast Asia parts. As for the dominating region of this particular area of Africa, in Africa, some of the areas where this particular religion dominates are Algeria, Egypt, Libya, and Mali, Sudan. All these regions are the dominating ones. As for, in Europe, the dominating areas are Albania, Bosnia, Tajikistan, Turkestan, then Uzbekistan. These are the worth mentioning places of Europe. Then as for Asia, if we see, some of the dominating areas are Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Oman, Bangladesh. These are the worth mentioning places of Asia. In these places, wherever it is mentioned, total 80% of population, or total number of people in these areas, 80% are practicing this particular religion. Next, let us move to Hinduism. Hinduism, looking into the number, it is considered as the third largest religion. Mostly it is practiced in India, dear friends, and from India it spread to Nepal, Fiji, and Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Malaysia are the worth mentioned. 80% of the people practicing Hindu religion are from India. Now let us move to Buddhism. This particular religion was founded in India, and it is practiced in the areas J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sri Lanka, Myanmar. Okay. I missed a point, like large number of this particular religion. There are two groups in this religion, and one group, that is Hinayana. This Hinayana's groups, large number are in Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand and Cambodia, these places. And as for the Mahayana, Mahayana, it is practiced in Tibet and Taiwan, Japan, China, North and South Korea, Bhutan. Okay, so these are the places worth mentioning. Now, dear friends, coming back to data, the census done in 2001 in India. If we look into the populations percentage wise, total 81.4% were practicing Hindu religion, 12.4% practicing Islam, 2.3% practicing Christian, 1.9% practicing Sikh, and 0.8% practicing Buddhism. If we look into the areas where these religions are practiced most in India, most of the states of India have the people practicing Hindu religion. Apart from that, J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, is mostly known for Islam religion. Punjab and Haryana, Sikh religion. Nagaland, Mizoram and Meghalaya practicing Christian religion. Sikkim, West Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal and north part of Bihar practicing Buddhism. Rajasthan practicing Jain. Now coming to Assam, dear friends, Assam is a state with many religions, and if we look into the census, 64.9% are Hindus in the state of Assam, 30.9% are Islam, 3.7% are Christian, 0.2% are Buddhist, 0.1% are Sikh and 0.1% are Jain. So these many are these are the religions found in Assam. As for the last video, there were some questions like holy books were asked. If we cross check of all the holy books, for Hinduism it is Vedas, then for Christian, Bible, Islam, Quran, and for Buddhism, Tripitaka. And there was another question like mention the divisions of the religions. For Christians is Roman Catholic and Protestant. For Islam, Shia and Sunni. For Buddhism, it is Hinayana and Mahayana. So these were the divisions of these religions. These three major religions had two divisions each. So that's all, dear friends. See you people in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care.